Hello guys, I'm about to tell you this, but make it sure you keep it secret, because if the financial institutions get to know this, if they get to know this, they will not be happy about it, because some people are going to run out of business. So what I need from you is keep it secret to yourself and invest wisely. So keep it secret to yourself and invest wisely. So what I'm about to talk about is like you keeping your money in the bank. Keeping your money in the bank can be a good thing, and it can also be a bad thing. Imagine like a bank is having about 2,000 people like putting their money in the bank, and everybody is able to put about $200 or 200 Ghana cedis. It doesn't matter the amount, 200 Ghana cedis. And they are going to be having about maybe 400,000 or 200,000 every month. Let's say you are putting it on a monthly basis, and they are going to be having about 200,000 every month. And just put it in mind, if you are the one who they are saving money with, and they are claiming like they want to be getting interest, what will you do with their money? Maybe the money can be staying there for up to a year. So the money can be staying there up to a year. They are going to use it. So they are using your money to become more rich and find their fancy lifestyle. So you see the banks, they are the financial institutions that you are saving your money with. So they can't make you rich. The interest that they are going to give you is just a penny, and they will invest their money. They'll collect all your money, and it will be a big one, and they'll invest it into their, let's say they collect all your money and they are able to buy maybe 3 houses, and they just maybe like they bought it maybe up to maybe 1 year. They sell their house, each house, and maybe they say they bought about 10 houses and they sell it within 1 year. After 1 year, they sold that particular house. So do you know the actual amount that they are going to make as profit? And they're just going to take penny out of that and give it to you as maybe your interest. So that's the power of maybe the smart people. And the smart people, they don't want you to know this. And more to the point, let's say that, you know, when you are saving your money in the bank, they will say maybe within a year, you're going to be getting an interest rate of maybe, within a year, you are going to be getting an interest rate of maybe 20%. And they are going to be lending your money out to somebody or some people out, and they are going to be charging them for 30% interest rate. So they are going to be paying 40% interest on every loan that they give it to them. So that means you are going to be using your money to be doubling their money. So immediately they get your money, they will collect it and also like give it out or give it to those who borrowed it. And when they borrow to do a business, so they will charge them 2 times and use half of that amount to pay you back as interest. And the remaining one, they use it to fund their fancy lifestyle, and they'll continue to be rich. And they never want you to know this. And if everybody get to know this, they are going to run out of business, because nobody is going to be saving. And more to the point, let me now tell you what to do if you don't want to do that, or if you don't want to be a victim. But first of all, you need to have an emergency fund, because life can be hard sometimes. You can just be working one day, and before you realize you are just within some error, and you can't escape, and you are in need of fund. So you need to be putting some money in some places that you can be able to just withdraw it within the shortest possible time that you need. And that one, maybe you can consider investing some portion or some small amount of money into maybe a bit of high interest accounts, or those that can generate you a high interest for some period of time. And make sure that it's always maybe just sustainable. It should be sustainable. It shouldn't be maybe all your money shouldn't be investing at that particular place. Let's say even if you choose a bank to invest your money in a bank, just for safer convenience, so that anytime that you want it, you can withdraw it. Just put only your emergency fund there, but the rest of the money, look around your neighborhood. Just look around your neighborhood and see if maybe you can get some things. People will be in need of some things. You can just use that particular money and maybe be a business owner, and now just buy those things and sell it with maybe some small amount of money added to it as profit, and take your profit. And before you realize, you start it as small business, and before you realize, it's a $1 million industry. So make sure use this opportunity wisely, and make sure, as I told you guys, keep it secret to yourself and know how to utilize it to your advantage. So if you understand this principle, it's going to help you a lot. Only if you don't understand it, maybe you may be finding it a bit maybe confused or so. I'm not saying maybe investing your money in the bank is bad. It is a good idea, but the reason is that the interest rate is very low. It's very low, and they are using your money to get richer, and you are getting poorer with the money that you are investing, because the money that you are investing is going to depreciate in value. It's going to depreciate in value, and you are not going to get any good interest on it. You can save up to maybe 1,000 or let's say 10,000 Ghana cedis on in a bank, and by the end of maybe a year you'll be getting 50 cedis as interest. Imagine 50 cedis as interest by the end of a year. How many years will you save to get financial freedom out of that? It's impossible. So that will tell you that you need to invest your money in yourself. Don't invest it. Don't let somebody manage your finance for you. So invest it on yourself. So that's the key takeaway from this video. Invest your money in yourself. Manage your money yourself. Don't let somebody manage it for you. Know how to manage it, and make sure you are following all the right principles that need to be taken to manage your finance. Because if maybe you are a gambler and you are using your money to gamble, that's not the right way. Be a wise investor. Don't be the type who gamble a lot, because some people can just put all their investment into one place, and before they realize it has gone and they are back to zero and they're not having any way to go. So don't be that kind of person. Change the perspective. So we are now in the 21st century. So change the perspective. Don't be in the older era that people were investing in the banks. So don't be that kind of person who will fall as a victim of that. Invest little in the bank and invest more in yourself. So thank you for watching, and make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on post notification bell, so that anytime that I upload a video like this, you get notified and come to the channel and check it out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.